Well, good morning, class. How are we doing today? Little aggressive and little goodness. Huh. Today we're going to do something very fun. It's a math intervention.
No!
It is super fun, I promise you.
No.
I promise you, it's going to be fun.
Can I go to the room?
Sure, make it quick.
Okay, I will make it quick.
Aubrey, what did you just did? Did you pull the fire alarm?
No, I did not. I was just going to something, but
Oh yeah? Let me see the security. If you lie, you're going to be in
I
big.
did lie.
You're going to the dean. Pulling the fire alarm is a very pulling the fire alarm is a serious crime.
So be it.
If you do that again, you're going to write on the board 100 times, I will not pull the fire. That's it. Go on the board and write, I will not throw stuff at my teacher 100 times.
No.
Either that or go be under arrest.
Fine. Not
Aubrey,
under.
the police is here, so he's coming in your classroom. Write 100 times, I will not pull the fire alarm.
I did it.
Good. One more time. You're not getting other chances. Wait, I've had time. You're going to play Prodigy. Math Prodigy. It's super fun, I promise you guys. iPad for you, iPad for you, iPad for you, and iPad for you.
No.
Oh,
Yes.
you just wrote it. So, that's not my problem, that's your problem.
That's okay. I can do it on a computer.
Yeah. Bye everyone. If you like our video, make sure you comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell button.
Can you pick something up and I'll see you next video.
Bye. Dun 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 dun.